Okay, students. So as in my last video we were discussing about linear equation in two variables. Okay. Linear equations in two variables. So in our last lecture we have already discussed about that what it is linear equation in two variables. We discussed about that what actually linear equation is there. Suppose if you want to understand in a better manner that what is a linear equation, then better you see my previous video which I will already posted. Okay, so now you can have a glance of this one. So we told in that time that any equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 will be called as linear equation in two variables. Okay, and we found at that time coefficient of x, coefficient of y and constant term. Okay, c is constant term, p is coefficient of y, a is coefficient of x. Right. Now let us go to exercise 4.2, specifically in CBSE 9th standard book. Now what question number 1 says? So question number 1 says that which one of the following options is true and why? Okay, before discussion of that I will tell you that suppose any equation we are having in our hand, suppose it is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Let us take any equation, right? Now this equation, as per you, as we have already discussed that x and y both are variable, and variable means it can take any value, any integer, even rational number also it can take the value, right? So x and y can take, if these all are real numbers, any value it can take. So these two are variables. So as per your own convenience, suppose you are taking x equal to 0. If you are taking x equal to 0, then by putting x equal to 0, it means 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 7, and this is giving you what? 0 plus y is equal to 7, and further y is equal to 7. 0 plus y is equal to y only, and y is equal to 7. So what you got? You got that for this equation, when x you are putting x equal to 0 and y is equal to 7. So 0 and 7 has become one of the solution of this equation. Correct? So this is one solution. Okay. Second time, if you are going for putting x equal to 1, you put x equal to 1 as per your own desire. Okay, you want x equal to 1000 should be put, you can put it millions, you can want to put, you can put it. So as per your desire, go for a smaller number. Okay, initially. So x equal to 1 if you are putting, then it is 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7, and this is giving you 2 plus y is equal to 7. Further, y is equal to 7 minus 2, and you are getting y is equal to 5. So now another solution, it has become as 1 and 5. Second solution. Yes or no? Similarly again, if you are going for x equal to minus 1, suppose, okay, x equal to minus 1, then you are putting 2 into minus 1 plus y is equal to 7, further minus 2 plus y is equal to 7, and it is giving you what? Y is equal to 7 plus 2. So it is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9. So your another solution has come, minus 1 and 9. Correct? Okay. So it's not necessary that always we should put x only, x equal to so and so, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. It's not necessary always that we should put that only. We can put the value of y also. Y is also a variable. Okay. So suppose if you are putting y, so y is equal to, you are putting 0. Right? Okay. Why we are putting 0? So that it is becoming easy. Okay. Now in this 2x plus y is 0 is equal to 7. Now further 2x is equal to 7. So what you have got? X equal to 7 by 2. So your another solution has become what? X equal to 7 by 2 and 0. Your y value is 0. Y value is 0. So 7 by 2 and 0. It has become one equation, one solution. Okay. So this is, you can say, another. This is third solution. This is fourth solution. Okay. Now again, you put y is equal to 1. Okay, so 2x and plus 1 is equal to 7. Then 2x is equal to 7 minus 1. 2x is equal to 6. And further, x is equal to 6 by 2.
3.
So it will get cancelled with the 3. And you are getting x is equal to 3. So now, another solution has become what? So 3 and 1. So this has become your fifth solution.
So if we make x is equal to 3 also you get the same answer?
Yes, if you are putting x equal to 3, you will get y is equal to 1. If you will get y is equal to 1. Okay? Similarly, so you can go for putting any values of x and y and you will be getting the solution, set of solutions. These are set of solutions. So what you find? Infinite. In this way, we can go on putting values and we will be getting some solutions. So, what we are finding out from here, we are finding out that these solutions are not having any end. It will go on. The more values you are going to put, you will be getting the solutions. So, there is no end of this solution. So, we can say that linear equation in two variables, it is having infinite solutions. Infinite. There is no end of solution. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, whatever number you put, you will get solution. Correct or not? So these are having how many solutions? Infinite solutions. Very good. So all linear equations in two variables have infinite solutions. This particular point, please remember. Okay? Right. So, this one you have understood? Right. So, in this way, it is there. So, all linear equations are having infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. Now, as I told you, that we will be discussing exercise 4.2. So in this exercise 4.2, what it is there that we will be discussing. So, like in question number 1, it is given that y is equal to 3x plus 5. Now question is asked that which one of the following option is true. So y is equal to 3x plus 5 is a linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables, better you write in standard form. So 3x, you take this y this side, so minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now it is in this form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Yes or no? Yes. So now it is linear equation in two variable. So what we have said earlier, how many solutions it will have? How many solutions it will have? Infinite. Infinitely many solutions. Okay? So it will be having how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. Understood? Okay, so all linear equations in two variables will be having infinitely many solutions. Right. Similarly, question number 2, what it says, write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. So one equation is given to us, and that is, you can say second one you take. So pi x plus y is equal to 9. We need to find 4 solutions only. We need to find 4 solutions. In previous question, what we did? We put x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Anything you can put it. Okay? So by putting that values, we will be getting 4 solutions. We need to find 4 solutions only because there is no end. It will be consisting of infinite solutions. Okay. So suppose you are putting x equal to 0 first. Okay. So you go for first solution.
Y is equal to 9.
Right. So x equal to 0. So it will become 5 into 0 plus y is equal to 9. So here you are getting 0 plus y is equal to 9 and further y is equal to 9. So your first solution is 0 and 9. This is your first solution.
So we can do as y is equal to 9 minus 5.
You want to put y is equal to?
9 minus 5 into 0.
No. Here we need to put the value. Either you put value for x or y. Anywhere you can put it. At a time you put value for 1.
Y is equal to 9 minus 5 is into 0. Same as the previous.
9 minus 5 into 0. So 5 into 0 will always be 0. So 9 minus 0.
Yes, sir.
So 9 minus 0 will be 9 only. Okay? Right. Okay. Second solution you need to find. X is equal to 1. Right? Very good. So if you are putting x equal to 1, then 5 into 1 plus y is equal to 9. Then further, 5 into 1 is 5 only. Then further what? Y is equal to 9 minus 5. Leave it here only. So here another solution has become y and 9 minus 5. This is second solution. Okay. Now tell me third. What we will put? Whether x equal to 2. You want me to put x equal to 2. Okay, let us find it. So pi into 2 plus y is equal to 9. Further it is giving you 2 pi plus y is equal to 9. And further y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. Very good. So now the solution is 2 and 9 minus 2 pi. This will become your third solution. Okay. Now tell me fourth one, what will put?
X is equal to 3.
X equal to 3. Okay. So x equal to 3. If you are putting x equal to 3, then here it is becoming 3 into pi plus y is equal to 9 and further it is giving you y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi. Very good. So your fourth solution has become 3 and 9 minus 3 pi. So see, there is no limit of finding the solutions. Okay. So what it is there? As we are knowing that linear equation in 2 variables will be having infinitely many solutions. Will be having infinitely many solutions. There are many solutions. So these are just only 4 solutions as we have put some values of x. Here we went for putting values only for x. In place of that you can put values for y also. Don't put value for x. Put value for y. Okay, put value for y and then you get the value of x. Get the value of x by simply solving.
If they told find the value of only for x means we should do only for x as well.
See, in linear equation in 2 variable, that is not there. Nobody can say that only find the value of x because here 2 variables are there. That case will be there in linear equation in 1 variable. In 1 variable, you can go for, okay, some 3x plus 5 is equal to 9. Then in this question, which is linear equation in 1 variable, you may be asked to solve only for x. You may be asked to solve only for x. So 3x is equal to 9 minus 5, correct? So it will be giving you 3x is equal to 4 and further x is equal to 4 by 3. So from here in this linear equation in 1 variable, you may get the value of only x. Correct? But here linear equation in 2 variables. So for x and y simultaneously the value will come. And in question it will not be given to you that only you put the value of x or you put the value of y. Only it will be asked to you find 4 solutions of this equation. Find 6 solutions of this equation, find 2 solutions of this equation, that's all. So in that equation, x and y, both values are there. X and Y both values are there. Here it is there or not? So X and Y both values have to be written. Understood? Okay. Now let us go for question number 3. Okay. So we will go for question number 3. So what question number 3 says that check which of the following are solutions of the equations x minus 2y. So we are given equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, and which are not. So solutions are given to us. We need to find whether these are solutions of this equation or not. So what? So if we will be putting those values, suppose that very first one we need to check, that is 0 and 2. So in this we are given x equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Now we will put these values in this equation and we will see that whether we are able to get 4 or not. Okay, so from x minus 2y, if we are putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2 into 2, so what we are getting? Minus 4. We are getting minus 4, not 4. But we should get 4. Here sign change is there. So then it means it is not a solution. It is not a solution. So you can say 0 and 2 is not a solution. Not a solution.
Not a solution of
And this is not equal to 4. Okay. So it is minus 4 is not equal to 4, which is in right hand side of this equation. Which is in right hand side of this equation. It is not equal to 4. So this is not a solution. This is not a solution. Okay. Second one is like fourth one, it is there. It is given to us. Fourth one is there, root 2.
Come on, 4 root 2.
4 root 2. Very good. So now we will put again that value, root 2. So
Root 2 minus
x minus 2y. So root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. Yes or no? Okay. So now here what it has become, root 2 we will take common. And then 1 minus 4 into 2, 8. Right. So it is giving you root 2 into minus 7. Further, so it will become minus 7 root 2. Again it is not equal to 4, which is in right hand side. Again this is not a solution. So root 2 and 4 root 2 is not a solution. Correct? Okay. Let us see which is the solution here. So 4 and 0. Okay, let us find 4 and 0. That is third one it is given. 4 and 0. Now we will put again x minus 2y. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. So in this case, what will be there? 4 minus 0. So it is becoming 4, which is equal to 4, which is in right hand side. Yes or no? So in this case, this is a solution. This is a solution of this equation. So how to find a solution of this equation? By substituting the values of x and y in that equation and whether that is equal to whatever constant term is there or not. It should be equal to the constant term. And constant term should be placed in right hand side. Correct? Understood? Right. Very good. Okay. Now question number 4, what it says. It is asking that find the value of k if x equal to 2. We are given x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. We need to find the value of k. Okay. And the equation is given to us, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Right? Now, already it is given that this x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So for this we are given that 2 and 1 is the solution of this equation. Solution means already it is satisfying the values. It means we need to put again, so 2x plus 3y. We are putting the value, substituting the values of x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So we are getting 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. And this is giving to us 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. And this is the solution of this equation. So this k is equal to 7. Okay? Thereby k is equal to 7. Because 2 and 1 is already given, it is solution of the equation. Right? Okay. Very good. Thank you.